Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Expensify mileage tracking to taxes in QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for Expensify in the search bar. Once you locate Expensify, click on it to open the app details. Select the Get App Now button to start the integration process. Follow the prompts to create or log into your Expensify account. After logging in, you'll be directed to set permissions for Expensify to access your QuickBooks data. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue with the integration. Once the integration is complete, return to your Expensify account dashboard. In Expensify, go to the Settings tab and select Policies. Choose the policy you wish to link with QuickBooks. Scroll down to QuickBooks Integration Settings within the policy. Click on Connect to QuickBooks to establish a link between the two platforms. Follow any additional prompts to customize how you want your mileage data synced. Ensure that your mileage tracking settings in Expensify are configured to your preferences. Next, confirm that the appropriate accounts in QuickBooks are selected for the mileage entries. Return to the Expensify dashboard and start logging your miles through the mobile app or website. Submit your mileage entries for approval, if applicable, within Expensify. Once approved, go back to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Expenses section in QuickBooks to view your imported mileage data. Review the imported mileage entries to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments within QuickBooks if discrepancies arise. Finalize your entries by categorizing them appropriately for tax purposes. Regularly check both Expensify and QuickBooks for any updates or changes in integration settings. This maintains a smooth connection and ensures all data remains accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you'll efficiently connect Expensify mileage tracking to your taxes within QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.